Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 20th of July, 2014. We're going to be looking at the CFDs, looking at gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, and US oil on the daily chart, and that's once again with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So let's look at some charts now. So here we are. We're here on the daily chart for gold, and I'll take it into a high time frame so you can actually see where we're looking for. We're looking at this triangular position. As you can see, there's the 0, there's A, B, C, D, and now we're waiting for the E position to close off. And we can take it down to the daily time frame, and you can have a better perspective of this, how we're looking. Yep, so you know what we're going to expect. We're going to expect some more movements. We've put down, we've actually put a trade in at 1316.58 with a stop at 1279. Going to take profit at this black line, which is a strong support resistance level at 1360. Wait for price then to come up to complete the E move, and then we're going to go all the way down and start our movements. And when price crosses below here, then that's fine. We're going to start taking trades off. But different ways to play it. Can take some trades at the when prices hit the top and coming down. We'll find some sort of support levels, or we can wait for it to come all the way through down this blue line and come down. Okay, fine. So that's gold. Now let's look at the SPX500. As you can see, I'm taking the trade from the weekly time frame, and you can see there we have the larger wave degree, which being the cycle. That's the in black and Roman numbers. There's 1, there's 2, and 3 is up there. Breaking that down, we have the primary, that's in red and in circles. We can see that's currently in a wave 5, and when we look at the substructures, we can see the intermediate, that's in green, is in a wave 3, 1, 2, 3, and that will be interesting for us to monitor. So now let's take that down to the daily chart and kind of a better perspective of that. And there you can see the subwave of the primary is the minor, and that's in a wave 5. So could take a long position at the high here, 1986, and put a stop level just at the bottom here at 1923. So let me mark that for you. And here I put the entries at 1984.7 with a stop at 1924, and you can see I've taken some trades already along these axes here on the wave 3. This is a previous marking where trades had occurred. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the US oil. US oil, let's look at the bigger picture. Where do we stand right now? Let's take it to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, and we can have a look, and we can see the larger wave degree is in a wave 3. There's the wave 2 of the cycle degree, that's in Roman numbers, and wave 1, 2, we're in a wave 3 of a primary move, that's red and in circles. And breaking that down, we've got the substructure, which is the intermediate, green, and in brackets, that's also in a wave 3. And breaking that, we have the minute, that's blue and in circles, also in a wave 3. So you can see we're in a wave 3 of a wave 3 of a wave 3. Should be some sort of powerful moves up. We've already took some entries at 102.94 and 101.22, and our stop level is is 97.73 and 96.44. I'm going to bring that stop level up on Monday up to the 97.75, keeping that all tight and keeping it clean, because we like tight and clean. So these different levels are different levels for exits, and we're putting our targets, ultimate target at 119.95, and as you can see there we have 111.05. So looking for the moves to come up accordingly. Okay, fine. So that's let me bring that now onto the daily chart, US oil, so you can see a little bit more clearer where we stand right now. Okay, right. Let's now move to the US30. US30, we've been following this ending diagonal for a while now. We took a cheeky entry at 16994, and we've got a stop level at 16743, just riding this wave to come up, and we're coming close to where our expectations, where we should come out at, and should come out of it. And what we're going to see is when price reaches the top around here, we'll be out of the trade by then, that our long trade. Price shall come down and then all the way down, and we can expect it to come here at this level 16340 sharply. So it would be quite an interesting point location to go short. Can go short at the high. Price will go above this black line, and price will go down, go back up, and then sharp down. Okay, so where do we stand in terms of this wave, this instrument? I'll take it to the high dimension. You can actually see, there we go. There's the wave 2 of the cycle degree. In fact, I'll put it back onto the daily chart and then squeeze it along. So there's the wave 2 of the larger wave degree, which is the cycle degree, and we now look for, so therefore that's in a wave 3, and we know we're in a wave 5 of a primary, right? That's red in circles, and that's where the move of the ending diagonal is going to participate and play into fashion. Okay, so we've got that in play. We're in a wave 5 of a intermediate, that's green in brackets, and it's an ABC pattern for a minor wave down. So what we're going to look for now, we're just looking for price to sort of complete its move up, and then we're going to start following this on a daily basis to see how we can capture that strong move down. And bear in mind, we have this divergence in play from here to here. We have also drawn our trend lines from the highs and the lows, joining them up, becoming a little bit more clearer where we want to see. We'll now go to the German 30. German 30 also there, as you can see. Where do we stand? We're in a Y5 position of a cycle degree. Cycle degree, that's black and in Roman numbers, and it's primary, which is red and in circles 1, 2. We're in a wave 3 up, wave 3 in process. Substructures is the intermediate, that's green and in brackets, as you can see, 1, 2, and that's in a 3. And then its substructure is the minor degree. There's 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we've taken a trade at 9936 and the stop level 9611. Okay, fine. So that's it for me today. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.